Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I'm talking about the MSA V-GARD helmet and the weight compensating bracket and Toric arc flash face shields that we've designed to fit this. So here we see the MSA V-GARD helmet with a weight compensating bracket attached to it and a 12 calorie AMP1 12T face shield. This is a 12 calorie nanoparticle arc flash face shield, gray in color. It has a vent system that brings in fresh air that washes against the inside of the face shield. The shield comes with a silicone hard coating on the front and an anti-fog coating on the interior. This shield is designed so that when you wear the shield, it is as if you didn't have it on. Because when the shield is up, field of view can't see the shield. When the shield is down in the deployed position and you're wearing it, it's just like you don't even have a shield on your face because you have the same field of view everywhere you look. The shield does not impair your field of view. And with the ventilation system, you get a flow of air coming up on the inside to keep it fresh air on the inside of the shield. The detent system holds the shield up and it's adjustable. So you can adjust it so that you can do a welder's nod to get the face shield to come down, or have these tightened by hand so that you have to actually pull the shield down to get it to come down to the deployed position. We have accessory flashlights. These will snap onto the arc shield. The flashlight is adjustable in, out, up, and down. Any position that you want to have. You can wear two of them at the same time if you want. And when the shield is down, you just move the flashlight to where you want it to point, and it stays in whatever position. These flashlights are also designed so that as the batteries wear down over time, which they give a full 8 hours of full power, it'll go slowly dimmer as opposed to just simply going out and leaving you without a light at all. So they're also tested in arc flash. So we know that these flashlights will hold up to the arc flash energy, and as finally they are intrinsically safe. So they're able to be used in dangerous environments. So this is the Paulson arc flash face shields, Toric design to fit the MSA V-GARD helmet. We're continuing to discuss our Toric face shield product line that fits the MSA V-GARD helmet. So as you can see here, we have a clear polycarbonate face shield on. We have a variety of face shields that can fit this bracket. All of the industrial shields do not carry the front vent system that you saw on the arc flash face shields. And these shields have a couple of options. In this case, it's a clear polycarbonate shield. You can have it to be hard-coated and anti-fog coated, or just a face shield. You can order it separately with the option of the flashlight mounts or not. So you can tailor the shield to your particular application. All the shields fit the same weight compensating bracket in the same way, and all shields are interchangeable. So in this thinking, you should consider, what is your application? Is it high heat? Is it general purpose? Is it chemical splash? And then choose the face shield that you want, and then pair that with this weight compensating bracket that is specifically made for the MSA V-GARD. Example of some of these different types of shields. This is a Toric shield that's made from Triton material. Triton material is extremely chemical resistant. Everything from battery acid to strong bases and organic solvents. So this material will perform where polycarbonate would whiten or crack. The Triton material is relatively impervious. Here is an example of a shade 5 face shield. So this shade 5 face shield is Meets all the requirements for shade 5 for ultraviolet light absorption, for visible light transmittance, and for infrared absorption. Molded into a toric shape, and in this particular case, it's also hard-coated and permanently anti-fog coated. This is an example of a cobalt blue face shield, and the cobalt blue is used where you're looking at molten steel and you want to be able to identify the slag that's on the surface, or in working in the glass industry. The cobalt blue shield is also available, coated or uncoated, with or without flashlight mounts. It's unlikely that you would use flashlight mounts on a cobalt blue shield. That's why we have it only as an option. And this is a transparent nylon face shield. Transparent nylon has the advantage of that it's more heat resistant than the polycarbonate, and it's highly chemical resistant. So this product is tailored for the paper and pulp industry where they are around the chemicals and materials called smelt. And this smelt material can be very corrosive on plastics, and it's also a very high temperature. So this is a product that's designed for that industry. Also, as you look at this from the side, you can see how the shield curves up underneath, providing very good protection from splash from underneath. There are many additional face shields that are available for this Toric product line. For example, Shade 9, where you're going to be using it for plasma cutting. You can buy the Shade 9 face shield and then take it and pair it with this bracket that is designed to fit the MSA helmet. Now we're discussing the WCB AMP CS. This is the weight compensating bracket that fits onto the MSA helmet. And I'll show you the features and benefits and also how to attach it and remove it. So on this bracket assembly, you saw the benefit of that when it's on the helmet, it comes up and back with the face shield, putting the balance point centered over the top of the helmet. This makes it so that you are less aware of the weight of the face shield. It's more of a natural position for you to have the weight directly over your head, and it's not wearing on you where you have a face shield hanging out in front of you that's always trying to drag your neck down. For attaching this to the helmet, it goes into the accessory slots. You'll notice how easy it is to attach. We wanted to make it so that you could easily put it on, take it off, and it wasn't even a consideration. If you wanted to remove the shield out of your way, or you had a different job application where you wanted to put on earmuffs, you can easily do that. To remove it, press to release, push up, press to release, push up, and the whole assembly comes off of the helmet. We have features and benefits here of that the shield attaches to the interior, no tools required, and you utilize the lever lock system. We have the adjustable pivots, and here you can adjust those loosely, so you can do a welder's nod to drop the face shield, or you tighter so that you'd raise and lower the face shield on your own. The press to release features are evident here, and they just drop in onto the helmet. Now this particular bracket also fits 8 of the most popular hard hats in the marketplace. It doesn't just fit the MSA V-GARD. We've tailored it to fit all these different models, almost everything that you would run into in the market that has slots on the side of the helmets. So this is the WCB CS.